Hi, I'm Dr. Jyoti and I'm from Jaipur. I am myself a Ayurveda doctor. I came with my family here actually thinking that we are here to relax, but after coming here, it is an amazing experience what we have gone through. और मैं इस एक्सपीरियंस को आपको 4 फेजेस में शेयर करूंगी. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम चेक इन एक्सपीरियंस, आई कैन ओनली से वन वर्ड, अमेजिंग. हमारे भारत में एक कहावत है, अतिथि देवो भवा. दे मेड अस फील दैट actually we are the devas. They did an amazing puja when we checked in. The hotel rooms are neat and clean, and every day the hygiene is taken care and rooms are beautiful. Coming to my therapies experience, my whole family, my husband, my daughter, we all took Ayurveda therapies. And the unique point is they have an in-house doctor team, Dr. Soumya, Dr. Arya. They attended us. They did the whole Prakriti evaluation, that what Prakriti we had, and according to that, the treatments were suggested. And I took Abhyangam, I took Potli massage, I took Shirodharam. We also experienced one Panchkarma therapy that is called Virechan. When I talk of therapies, it is very important that it should be done in a very authentic way. I have visited a lot of Ayurvedic spas in India, but I must say here they are doing authentic Ayurveda treatment. They follow proper Purv Karma, Pashat Karma, and during the therapies also a proper Prakriti analysis is done. It was done for me, it was done for my husband, it was done for my daughter, and we experienced amazing 7 days therapy sessions here, and I'm so glad that we came here. One more thing I loved about it here is the food. Usually when we go to retreats, it's more of a healthy food, non-oily, which we get everywhere, but here everyday meal has 7 colors. They represent the 7 chakras. So everyday meal has colors of Mooladhar, which is like red, orange, green, purple, which was very unique that in our meal, all the colors were present and it was so fulfilling to our soul. Another amazing thing about Veda 5 is the location of the place. I mean, we are staying in the property, you walk outside and there's a beach outside. You won't believe the morning routine starts with having a bath in the beach, then we have yoga sessions, followed by a few meditation exercises, early breakfast, then we take therapies, then evening also we take a lot of therapies. The food what we are eating, it is sattvic. It is actually a complete food for the soul, that our body is healed, our mind is relaxed, and we are giving a treat to our body. Personally, as an Ayurvedic doctor, what I feel that I have learned 3 things coming to Veda 5. The first, that we should pamper our body, we need to thank our body, we need to understand that what are we putting inside our body, and that I have realized staying here for 7 days. Everyday meal, it was according to the Prakriti, it was less oil, it is what our body needs, it is as per the chakras. I mean, the food was so good, and I felt that this is the way our body should have everyday food. We should have food like this every day at our home. Second is what I realized, that we have heard that God is everywhere. So God is inside us also. So it is our duty that what do we put inside our body, whether it's the food, how we take care of our body in form of taking therapies. Yeah, so thank you to Veda 5 that we have got this opportunity to take care of our bodies, and they are doing it in such authentic and traditional way. I'm so glad that we are here.